Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you're using Mozilla Firefox, just to let you know that another point release has rolled out just a short while ago today on the 30th of September. And the latest version and build of the update has been applied is 143.0.3. So we're dealing with our third point release for version 143. Now there's quite a lot going on for a point release because we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bug fixes, which includes a crash fix and 2 security fixes. Very strange to get security fixes with the point releases. They normally only roll out if there's really something important to be patched or with the version upgrades. But the 2 security fixes that have rolled out are addressing 2 high-impact vulnerabilities, which is rated just below a critical impact. And the first high impact is listed as sandbox escape due to integer overflow in the graphics. And the second high impact vulnerability is listed as JRT, that's just-in-time miscompilation in the JavaScript engine. So 2 high severity flaws have been patched, which is good to see that Firefox is quick to patch the security holes in the browser. Now focusing on the bug fixes, starting with bug fix number 1, where Mozilla says it's adjusted the timing of the new drag to pin into action queue for better readability. And then the second fix is Mozilla says it's fixed an issue that prevented some extensions from updating via the add-ons manager. And then the third fix, Mozilla says it's fixed a regression that prevented Firefox view sections from collapsing and or expanding as expected. So that's a bit of a stability fix. And then the fourth fix is actually fixing a crash, which is always good news, where it's addressed a web extensions storage issue that could cause Firefox to crash on startup with certain extensions installed. So that's quite an important fix. And here's another extension fix where Mozilla says, heading back to manage extensions, that it fixed an issue where opening an add-ons extension settings from the post-install prompt could break the customized tab and some keyboard shortcuts until restart. So that's taking place under the hood. So that's nice to see that's addressed. And then the 6th and final fix, Mozilla says it reduced long delays when loading certain websites while connected to networks that block UDP connections. So you can see with these fixes rolling out that they are focusing on performance and stability and also security with 6 bug fixes, which includes a crash fix and 2 security fixes. So if you are using Mozilla Firefox, make sure you get this update sooner than later. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.